Okay, guys, so here we have a situation where we are distributing an exponent. Because there's a parentheses with terms inside of it, this entire thing is raised to the second power. So I have to basically extract all the pieces and distribute that exponent to every single part. So I got negative 12 raised to the 2 times a raised to the 6, and then raised to the 2, right? Because I'm distributing, times b raised to the 5, and then raised to the 2, times c raised to the 2. So all I did was distribute. Now, when I distributed this, you can see that there will have to be some simplification right here. And when we have a power of a power, which is this right here, we multiply our exponents. So we get negative 12 raised to the 2 times a raised to the 12 times b raised to the 10 times c raised to the 2. Okay, and then one final part is that this can be simplified. We know that negative 12 times negative 12 is 144. You can also put it into your calculator and it'll help you multiply that out. So I got 144 raised to the 12. 144 times a raised to the 12 times b raised to the 10 times c raised to the 2. Okay. Now in this case, we have this going on right here. Now this 2 belongs to this parentheses. So I'm going to raise an 8 to the 2, distribute that to the 8, x, and then raised to the 4. But this is also raised to the 2. So then it becomes 8 to the second power, x to the power of 8, because I multiply these two. And then I got leftover x raised to the third power. And now these two are a product of powers because I'm multiplying two terms with the same bases with different exponents. I'm going to add. So I got 8 raised to 2 x. X. 8 plus 3 is 11. And in all, I can simplify 8 raised to the 2, which is 64. X raised to the 11th power. Okay. And this same concept, it's just a mix of everything. I would distribute the exponent to the 4, and then to the x to the squared, and then to the y. I would distribute the 2 first here, and then the 4, and then combine it all together.